Well, welcome back everyone, and today it's gonna be a nasty day. Stay tuned. When we purchased this 2018 Keystone Fuzion, we never could get that front tank on the black and gray tank on the front there to zero out. So while we're here at a campground in Florida, we got a gentleman that's a professional and he's gonna clear out the poopy. So let's go around over here and watch as he cleans out the poopy tank. This is the guy we're hiring to do this. So if you're in Florida and you have trouble with your tank zeroing out, give him a call. Tell him New Horizon sent you. Sorry about that one. But he's getting all this stuff lined up and see if we can get these tanks cleaned up, because Campers Inn didn't do a very good job on any of this stuff. When we took possession of it, the back tank, they never dumped it, and it smelled like so bad crap. All right guys, here we go. It's just kind of basically like giving your black tank a bit of money, okay? Shooting water and stuff in there to get that.
Went to the black tank first.
We're pretty crappy people.
Yep. See, you can tell what tank you're in, you know, by what's coming out.
Yep.
This is built up.
I'm gonna say I flushed that 80 gallons the other day, 100 gallons the other day, and now I flushed it again this morning by 30 gallons.
Oh man. Okay. Oh crap.
Go all the way to the other end of your tank now. So you got build up, see it slow down?
Yeah.
Because you got some build up in there. Oh yeah, there it goes.
Oh man, there's a bunch of stuff coming out.
Yeah.
Dang. And a lot of that's probably from the previous owner not taking care of the tanks.
Yep.
Sure don't smell like potpourri. Yeah. Thanks.
I'd say it's probably never been cleaned.
Yeah, yeah.
Because people had it before that actually traded in, did a lot of boondocking and stuff.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I mean, and then when Campers Inn leaving that one tank
what I'm doing now is going back and forth, because this head does, you know, 360 degrees. So I'm going back and forth all the way to the front to the back.
Yeah.
And you got to do it over and over, because all tanks have a little belly.
Yeah.
And I'm pulling it out of the belly. If you watch, you'll see it get clear and then get dirty again.
Okay. I would say it looks pretty clear there.
I'm at the front of the tank again. It's stopped, which means, you know, it's filling up in the belly again. We're gonna let it do that for a minute. Oh yeah. It's cleaning out that belly.
Yeah, as I say, it's back to being brown again.
Your pipe. I'm cleaning your valves and stuff now.
Okay.
You hear it?
Yeah,
the sound
I hear
change.
that.
Alright. Now do me a favor, shut your black.
Now the gray tank. I mean, we're very careful about not letting food go down the drain.
Do different things.
Oh, there it is. You hear it.
I'm very careful about trying to make sure no food and no grease goes down the kitchen drain, but we never could get our sensors to zero out.
What's your gray shovel?
This is just step one of the process here, so.
Got probably, I got 2 gallon water. I know for those water.
See, I'm getting more out now.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you got a bunch
This
more.
head is a rotation 360 degree head.
Okay.
The other one's 360, but it's a fixed head. This is a rotation head.
The last thing that back tank
Where it goes in there and scrubs the walls of it and everything.
Quite a bit out.
Yeah.
This is buildup. It's the buildup's black and gray, and that's stuff that's been in there for a long time.
It's a lot of stalagmites in it. Real large.
I lost one. I lost one.
We bought a used one time, and he wanted to go clean the freshwater tank out. And it was like foam and stuff coming out of that.
Ooh.
It was rough.
I think we got that black clean. I'm not getting, there's a little bit. I'm not getting much of nothing out of it anymore.
As I say, it's running pretty clear now.
Yeah. Because I'm spraying it all over, it'll start emptying out.
Yeah, because that water is good and clear now.
Yeah.
It's going to be a relief when it goes cleaned out. Finishing up cleaning the gray tank.
It's in that tank.
Huh?
It's in that tank.
And this is a 360 degree. It goes around there and it scrubs the sidewalls, sensors, everything.
Yeah, you can hear that. Yeah, so you can get a little bit here and there. It's just not that dirty.
The gray tank wasn't that bad, but our poopy tank,
See,
oh, the poopy
you get
tank.
a little bit here and there from it.
Our poopy tank was